Southern barbecue chicken tray bake. This Southern barbecue chicken tray bake couldn't be easier. Get started by preheating the oven to 180 degrees Celsius. Then line a large rim baking tray with baking paper. Grab a large bowl and add the corn, sweet potato, onion, carrot and barbecue sauce. Give it a quick stir to evenly coat the vegetables in the sauce. Transfer the vegetables to the lined tray and spread them out evenly in a single layer. Top with the chicken portions and then spray with olive oil spray. Pop the tray in the oven for 45 minutes or until the chicken is cooked through and the veggies are tender. When the tray bake is all cooked and golden and ready to serve, sprinkle the chicken and vegetables with rocket and coriander. Full of smoky flavours and loaded with veggies, this warming chicken tray bake is an easy dinner for busy weeknights.